Did you know that over 80% of baking soda users have no idea about its most powerful secrets? That's right. Every day, countless households use baking soda without realizing its full potential. This common kitchen staple, costing just pennies per dose, is actually considered by many experts to be one of the most overlooked natural remedies on the planet. Think about it. How often have you reached for baking soda just to bake a cake or clean out your fridge, never stopping to consider its broader health benefits? What if I told you that this simple white powder has a long history of surprising uses, ones that could completely shift how you think about your health? So, why is no one talking about the real power of baking soda? In this video, we're diving deep into its incredible health advantages, many of which are still unknown to most people. We'll also go over important safety tips and identify exactly who should be cautious when using baking soda. If you're someone who values your well-being and wants to make informed, natural choices, then you're in the right place. And if this is your first time on our channel, welcome. Make sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future health insight. Also, I'd love to know, are you watching this with curiosity? If yes, type 1 in the comments. If not, type 0. And tell us where you're watching from. We love hearing from people all around the world. This journey toward better health starts now. Have you ever felt that fiery sensation after eating something spicy? That burning pain that starts deep in your stomach and creeps up toward your throat? That's acid reflux, and it's a common reaction when stomach acid flows back into the esophagus. It's especially common during pregnancy, with weight gain, or certain medical conditions like eosinophilic esophagitis or achalasia. While there are countless antacids sold in stores, many people don't realize that an incredibly fast and effective remedy might be sitting in their kitchen cabinet. A simple teaspoon of baking soda mixed into a glass of water, sipped slowly, can bring near-instant relief. Why? Because baking soda is alkaline, meaning it helps neutralize the stomach acid that's causing the discomfort in the first place. For generations, this home remedy has been a go-to solution, and it's even supported by modern science. In fact, sodium bicarbonate, yes, the same ingredient, is recognized by medical professionals as a fast-acting antacid. A review published in the journal Gastroenterology and Hepatology confirmed that it works well for occasional heartburn relief. Best of all, it's easy. No need for expensive medications or a trip to the pharmacy. Just a teaspoon of baking soda, a glass of water, and a few minutes of your time. That's all it takes. And that's one reason baking soda continues to be a beloved item in so many households. It's a simple, cost-effective way to ease that burning sensation and get you back to feeling like yourself again. Did you know that one of the most powerful tools to enhance your workout performance might already be sitting in your kitchen cabinet? That's right, baking soda. While most people associate it with cleaning or baking, athletes have long used this common ingredient as a natural way to boost endurance and delay fatigue. Here's how it works. During intense workouts, your muscles produce lactic acid, which lowers pH and creates that burning sensation that often forces you to stop sooner than you'd like. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, acts as a buffer, helping to neutralize this acid so your muscles can keep going strong. And this isn't just anecdotal. A comprehensive meta-analysis published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that sodium bicarbonate supplementation significantly improved performance in high-intensity exercises like sprinting, cycling, and swimming. In these studies, athletes who consumed a teaspoon of baking soda mixed with water about 60 to 90 minutes before their session were able to train harder and longer. However, it's important to start with small doses, since too much can cause stomach discomfort. If you're looking for a simple, science-backed way to enhance your physical performance naturally, try adding a bit of baking soda to your pre-workout routine. Just be sure to consult with your healthcare provider if you have any medical conditions before giving it a go. It might be the simplest fitness hack you've never tried. Did you know that baking soda, a simple and common kitchen ingredient, holds remarkable potential benefits beyond just cooking or cleaning. A fascinating study published in 2018 in the Journal of Immunology revealed that consuming a daily solution of baking soda dissolved in water might positively influence the body's immune system. Specifically, sodium bicarbonate helps calm the autoimmune activity responsible for diseases like rheumatoid arthritis. This condition is marked by chronic inflammation leading to painful, swollen joints and stiffness, which can significantly impact daily life. The study showed that baking soda shifts the immune system toward a less inflammatory state, reducing inflammatory markers in both human and animal participants. This means less joint discomfort and swelling, major challenges faced by those living with arthritis. This discovery opens promising new avenues for managing arthritis symptoms using a simple home remedy, possibly easing pain and inflammation with a natural and accessible solution. While further research is needed to fully understand the long-term benefits, the findings remind us that sometimes the best solutions are right in our kitchens. Moreover, baking soda can also help manage gout symptoms, a particularly painful form of arthritis that usually affects the big toe or other joint. Gout occurs when uric acid builds up in the blood, leading to inflammation and sharp crystals forming in the joints, causing intense pain, redness, and swelling. Because baking soda is alkaline, it neutralizes excess uric acid in the bloodstream, reducing the formation of these painful crystals. By restoring a more balanced pH level, baking soda helps lessen the frequency and severity of gout attack. Studies, including one published in the Journal of Arthritis and Rheumatism, have shown that consuming a glass of water with half a teaspoon of baking soda during flare-ups can reduce discomfort and joint inflammation. This makes mobility easier and less painful. However, it's important to always use baking soda under a doctor's supervision, ensuring safety and avoiding possible side effects. In addition to arthritis and gout relief, baking soda provides soothing relief from cold and flu symptoms. Many people find the scratchy throat, congestion, and persistent runny nose during these seasons overwhelming. Baking soda's alkaline properties help break down tough mucus, clearing nasal passages and improving breathing. Gargling with a mixture of baking soda and warm water soothes inflamed throats and reduces bacteria in the mouth, which can hinder viral growth and speed recovery. Scientific studies back this up. Frequent gargling with baking soda solution has been shown to significantly reduce throat discomfort and microbial load. It's also used in saline nasal rinses to relieve congestion further, strengthening your natural defenses and promoting faster recovery from respiratory infections. Next time you're feeling under the weather, consider this mild and scientifically supported remedy from your kitchen for quicker relief. Baking soda, a common household ingredient, has recently attracted attention for its potential to improve the effectiveness of traditional cancer treatments. Research suggests that the acidic environment around tumors can actually help cancer cells grow and resist therapy. Baking soda, with its alkaline properties, may help neutralize this acidity, making the tumor environment less favorable for cancer cells and possibly enhancing the impact of chemotherapy or other treatments. While these findings are promising, it's important to understand that this research is still in its early stages. Most of the encouraging results come from animal studies, and we need more clinical trials on humans to confirm whether baking soda can be safely and effectively used alongside conventional cancer therapies. It's crucial not to view baking soda as a miracle cure or replacement for medical treatment. Instead, it should be seen as a potential supplementary tool that might one day support current therapies. Anyone undergoing cancer treatment should always consult their medical team before trying any new supplements or remedies. Besides its possible role in cancer care, baking soda is well known for being a natural, chemical-free deodorant alternative. Unlike many commercial deodorants that contain synthetic fragrances and harsh chemicals, baking soda works by absorbing moisture and neutralizing the acids in sweat that cause body odor. This creates an environment that discourages the growth of odor-causing bacteria, keeping you fresh throughout the day. Scientific studies back up baking soda's effectiveness in reducing underarm odor, showing it to be a safe and gentle option, especially for those with sensitive skin who want to avoid parabens, aluminum, and artificial perfumes. In summary, while baking soda is far more than just a simple kitchen staple, offering a variety of health benefits, it should always be used responsibly and in consultation with healthcare professionals, especially when considered for medical uses.